Hello, children. How are you? Are you okay? Times are difficult, I know, because of COVID 19. The entire world is on lockdown. And it is not easy for anyone and everyone, especially young children like you who love to go out and play and be with their friends. Now, instead of doing that, you are stuck up at home attending online classes. I'm sure you must be missing your friends, missing your school, and perhaps feeling lonely and sad. Okay, my name is Lipika Sohoria, and although you may think I'm just another boring grandma, I can assure you that I understand what you are going through, almost like I was your friend. So, why I'm here today? To tell you about a young girl who had to be stuck in a different kind of lockdown. It was a long time back in 1940s. Have you heard about the Second World War from 1941 to 1945? It was terrible, terrible time for the Jews in France. The German leader Hitler ordered that all Jews were to be killed, and so millions of them were killed. In order to save themselves, a lot of families went into hiding. They took shelter underground and stayed inside where no one could find them. So, this girl that I want to tell you about was a Jew. Her name was Anne Frank, and she was just 14 years old. For almost 2 years, Anne and her family were hiding under an office building. Can you imagine? That was 1940s. So obviously, no television, no mobile phone, no internet, nothing of that sort. And what's more, Anne had no friends to share her feelings. But she didn't let this get her down. In order to feel like she had someone to talk to, she started keeping a diary where she wrote down everything that came to her mind. She didn't feel sad or depressed. In fact, she tried to find something to be happy about every single day, despite being in a lockdown. She sadly passed away in 1944, but after her death, her diary was published as a book and became instantly famous. The book, called The Diary of Anne Frank, has been translated into many languages. There is even one Assamese translation, and you should definitely read it if you have not already. Speaking of reading, now is actually the best time to pick up the habit of reading. You see, the thing about books is that they let you travel without moving your feet. From the magical world of Harry Potter, where you will fly on broomsticks and have candies that jump around in your tummy, to the mischievous adventures of Mohadustor Dustobuddhi, books are instant time travel companion. Books can be your best friend if you let them be. Turn the pages of a book and you will never be alone. I could go on and on about all the benefits of reading books, but I'm sure you will find many ways to make it fun and interesting. Why not form an online book club where you talk to your friends about that books you have read? Why not start a diary like Anne Frank and keep notes on what you have been up to during this lockdown? Why not even make a list of new words that you learn from your books and see if you can use those words in your writing? Definitely, someday this lockdown will be over. And although it might seem like a long time from now, believe me, it will be worth the wait. Just imagine how happy you will be to meet your friends after this long separation. Imagine the joy of playing together once again. So, children, until then, don't let this lockdown bring you down. Stay home and stay safe, but more importantly, stay happy.